Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to extract text from images on Windows 11. Are you tired of manually typing out information from pictures? Well, fret no more. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to utilize the powerful OCR capabilities of PowerToys on Windows 11, allowing you to effortlessly extract text from any image file. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. The first thing you will want to do is to install the Microsoft application called PowerToys. The easiest way to install PowerToys on Windows 11 is using command prompt. Open Start, search for CMD, then right-click the top result and select the Run as Administrator option. Type the following command to install the latest version of PowerToys and press Enter win-get install id microsoft.powertoys. Once you complete the steps, you can enable the feature Open Start. Search for PowerToys and click the top result to open the app. Click on Text Extractor. Turn on the Enable Text Extractor toggle switch. Once you have PowerToys installed and the Text Extractor feature enabled, extracting text from an image is straightforward. Open the image on Windows 11. Use the Windows key plus Shift plus T keyboard shortcut. Select the text you want to extract from the images to copy the contents to the clipboard automatically. Right-click and select the Paste option on the application you want to paste the extracted text. Thank you so much for tuning in to our video. We hope you found our tutorial helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with more tech tips and tricks, please consider subscribing to our channel.